Hey YouTube, welcome back. I'm Dana, and this is Obese No More. Hey, have you ever said to yourself, man, with this new health journey, I had to give up a lot of stuff. I mean, you look and you say, I had to give up pizza, I had to give up pizza and pizza. Yeah, I pretty much had to throw away Papa John, Domino's, Pizza Hut, Marco's. I had to throw away all of their phone numbers because I don't eat that stuff anymore. Yeah, pizza. That you are going to the extremes that you have. Let me just say, no seizure in a year. I'm coming off my medications really quick. Yeah, I decided to go ahead and throw away those phone numbers. However, good news. We don't have to give it up. Give me 1 second. This is what I eat. It is organic. The one that I eat is called vegan or veggie friendly vegan. It's got all like Brussels sprouts. It's got all veggies on it. And then what I do is I take it and I doctor it to my taste. I put some more veggies on it, some spinach. You can put whatever you want on it, but I just stay on the healthy street. And the thing that I like about the veggie vegan that I eat is that it is wheat as a crust, and it tastes really good. In fact, I had it tonight. My son comes over, as you know, you guys have heard it. He's dropped down to 155. So he's doing an awesome job. He wants to stay healthy. He wants to live a healthy life. Knowing what happened to me, it's in our family, but that's for another video. But right now, yeah, take all of that, mix it together, and enjoy having pizza in your life. You won't regret it. So, everybody in YouTube, thanks for visiting. And as I tell y'all, never, ever give up.